Angel Foot Massage, QuickBooks Video 13, receiving payment from Groupon. Now, this is a very easy transaction. It goes in the same window as receiving payment from a gift certificate customer, but you just have to be careful to distinguish between the two. We open the payment window and we do as follows. Let us imagine that on January 16th, you transferred money in from Groupon into your bank account. Okay? Now, this payment method would be, you could call it an e-check, or you can add a new method where you can put in the word, you can add a new payment method and you could say transfer or online transfer or something, so that now there's an additional payment method listed here, in addition to the credit cards and the others. Transfer. Certainly, Groupon will give you a confirmation number, and of course, they will tell you the total amount they're paying. For example, if you got $1,000 worth of services, they would only pay you $800. Now, there's two very important things to note when you record receiving payment from Groupon. Number one, the accounts receivable account you choose must be unearned from Groupon, because this number will indicate what you earned, what you got from Groupon that you have not yet worked. So you must make sure when you receive a payment from Groupon that in the account receivable field you choose unearned from Groupon, so that shows up properly on the trial balance. The other thing is the memo. Now, there's a memo field somewhere here. I don't know. But it's somewhere in here. Memo, where the hell is it? Boy, I used to know where it is. Memo is way on the bottom here. But in the memo field, way on the bottom, you probably want to record other information like how many customers it is and what they paid for each and what the services were that they paid for. All of these things can be fit into the memo field, even though the memo field does not look like it can hold it. Now, when we click Save and Close and we take a peek at the trial balance, we notice unearned from Groupon now appears on the trial balance for the first time as $800, and of course the undeposited funds just went up. If you double-click the undeposited funds, you can see that most recent payment on the 16th was this confirmation number from Groupon. And if we slide across the screen, you can see that it went into unearned from Groupon and it increased undeposited funds by $800.